continuing their attempts to become a more self-sufficient world military power through a growing military-industrial complex. The nation of Turkey welcomes its new, indigenously designed and developed, TAI Hurkus to serve as primary and basic trainer for the Turkish Air Force. The aircraft originated from an Air Force requirement for 15 such platforms, to which a development contract was given to Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, in December of 2006. In April of 2009, the final design was accepted and a prototype went airborne for the first time on August 29, 2013, setting the stage for what should be a follow-up procurement phase. The name Hurkus is taken from Turkish aviation engineer TAI Hurkus, 1895 to 1969, the country's first civilian pilot and a World War I, 1914 to 1918, veteran. As of November 2013, the Hurkus is represented by 2 completed prototype samples which are being used in ongoing testing. In overall scope, the aircraft will be similar to the American Beechcraft T-6 Texan II, the Brazilian Embraer MB314 Super Tucano and the Swiss Pilatus PC-21 series, all competing in the basic trainer, light strike market. The Hurkus will replace the aged fleet of Turkish Air Force T-37 Tweet trainers, 2-seat, turbojet-powered aircraft brought about in the 1950s. The Air Force has a stock of approximately 65 such aircraft. Design of the Hurkus is largely conventional, with a slim, aerodynamic fuselage tied to low-mounted, forward-set straight monoplane wing appendages. The engine is housed in a forward compartment in the usual way, while the empennage utilizes a single vertical tail fin with a pair of low-mounted horizontal planes. All wing surfaces feature clip tips. The fuselage sports seated for a crew of 2 under a large, clear canopy shell, offering excellent elevated views around the aircraft from both positions. The cockpit includes all modern avionics and controls to serve as a proper stepping stone for graduation to more advanced flight systems. The aircraft makes use of Martin Baker MKT-60N00 ejection seats for both crew. The Hurkus relies on a single Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A68T series turboprop engine, delivering 1,600 horsepower to a 5-blade aluminium propeller by Hartzell. The combination of airframe design, configuration and power plant are expected to provide the Hurkus with a maximum speed of 360 miles per hour, a cruising speed nearing 290 miles per hour. A range out to 920 miles and an operating service ceiling of 34,700 feet. Rate of climb is 4,300 feet per minute. TAI is set to deliver the Hurkus in 2, possibly 3, distinct production forms: Hurkus A, Hurkus B and Hurkus C. Hurkus A will be the basic civilian airspace variant designed around European Aviation Safety Agency certification. The Hurkus B will be of a more advanced trainer form, featuring HUD, head-up display, a mission computer and weapons simulating multifunction displays, 6x8 MFDs, at each cockpit. A third, more military-minded, variant is being proposed as the Hurkus C. This model would feature support for light armament, gun pods, cannons, bombs, rockets, missiles, to fulfill the light attack/strike/close air support, CAS, role. The Hurkus project has not been without its delays. The initial prototype's flight was scheduled for sometime in 2009 and initial deliveries would have followed in 2011. However, the aircraft was not formally displayed until June 2012 and its initial flight did not occur until August of 2013. It is conceivable that the Hurkus will be offered to interested foreign parties for purchase at some point. It will most certainly serve Turkish aerospace engineering well as a starting point for more advanced indigenous aircraft designs.